Now I'm going to show you two ways to zoom in Camtasia. Now the first one is the one that maybe you want to zoom this area here. Maybe you're in this tutorial and maybe you are explaining you want to zoom this area here. So maybe I'll just come here and cut here. Oh no, I'll just come here, animations, and I'll just do the one that you always do. Maybe zoom here, then it will give me these aspects here to just zoom like that. And maybe after some point I'll just come back. Maybe I just come here and just take it back here, just be like that. So it means this part will be zoomed like that. Then of course if I want to return, I'll just come there. That is the normal way. But now I want to show you some way, maybe now something more dramatic. Maybe this time I want to, for example, you see the talking head here, you want to make it big and you want to make it small sometimes. So the first thing I always do, I'll just come and split all. After splitting all, I'll come here and zoom my timeline like this. Then I'll make sure this one here, maybe I want it to be big now. Maybe you're giving somebody, you want somebody to see your expression. So what do you do? After doing that, I'll come here. If I just play like this, just come, just jump like that. But now what if I wanted to zoom in slowly, smoothly? What do I do? I'll just come here, maybe rub a section like this up to here. If you want to rub it smoothly, hold down Control key. Let me just remove this select. Okay. If you want to go, okay, just hold down Control key so that you just remove a very small portion area. Then I just come here, ripple delete. Make sure you put ripple delete. It will create for you this arrow here to show that some part has zoomed. So if I play like that, maybe I play, you see it is coming zoom like that. The other one was just snapping. See you in the next video.